Hi there, another video by dutchpapergirl. Years ago I was walking in the woods with my brother and we heard an eerie sound. Was it a child crying? An animal in distress? As silent as we could, we walked towards the sound. Big was our surprise when we saw it was a black woodpecker. A big bird! Really impressive. The only time I saw it. Years later I was in Central and South America and I saw woodpeckers like the one I now made. I hope you think it is as beautiful as I believe. The trunk was not sturdy enough, so I put aluminium foil on the inside. I closed the back of the trunk by inserting sturdy cardboard inside the gluing tabs. I then covered it with brown again. Now it's not possible you will see the white of the sturdy cardboard. Not from any angle that you might look.